would like to update the number of cases as of today, 8th of May 2021. The number of new cases is 375. The number of recoveries 152. So the total number of active cases as of date is 2,678, and only in East Khasi Hills alone is 1,583. The number of new deaths from last evening till now is 11, and all in East Khasi Hills.